Hi guys! Now in this videos, I will make tutorial videos to explain about conditional sentences. Okay, we will study together about conditional sentences. Before we start to learning, I will introduce myself first. Okay, here is about me. My name is Nesia Putri Pertiwi, and everyone called me Nesia, so you can call me Nesia. And I'm from English class G617, and my NPM is my department code is 11, and my student number is 149. Okay, you guys already know about me. And now we can move to the first learning, the first lesson. Okay, there is what are conditional sentences is. Before we start, we should know about the definitions first, right? Okay, the definitions is conditional sentence is a sentence that expresses a condition and that outcome of that condition occurring. It typically includes a dependent clause that describes a hypothetical situation, usually starting with the conjunction if, and a main clause that describes the possible consequences of that situations. Okay. Now we already know about the definitions of, and we can move to the type of conditional sentences. There is 6 types you should know. Okay, the first type is zero conditional. The definitions of zero conditional is expresses a general truth or a simple implication. The structure of zero conditional is typically begins with if or when, and the independent clause use the simple present tense or the imperative verb tense. There is 2 examples of zero conditional. Number 1, if you eat ice, it melts. Examples number 2 is if you put sugar in your tea, it will taste sweet. Okay, there is about zero conditional. Now we will move to the second types. It's called first conditional. The definitions about first conditional is type of conditional sentence used to express the future consequence of realistic possibility now or in the future. The structure first conditional is if plus present simple will plus base verb. There is 2 example too about first conditional. Number 1, if it rains, we will cancel the picnic. Number 2, if you study hard, you will pass the exams. Now we look the number 1, the example. There is look like the structure. There is if, and the present simple is it rains. And then there is we will, and the base verb is cancel the picnic. For the number 2, look at example number 2. There is if, and then the present simple is you study hard or study hard. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then you will, there is will, and then the best verb is pass the exam. Okay, finish about first conditional, and then we will move to second conditional. The definitions about second conditional is type of conditional sentences used to express hypothetical or imaginary situation in the present or future. Present. Okay, sorry. Now we move to second conditional. The definitions about second conditional is type of conditional sentences used to express hypothetical or imaginary situations in the present of or future. The structure of second conditional is if plus past simple and will plus base verb. Look the example. If I won the lottery, I would travel the world. There is if, and the past simple is I won the lottery, and then there is would, I would, and the base verb is travel the world. Okay, there is second conditional. Now we can move to third conditional. The definitions of third conditional is used to describe a hypothetical situations in the past that did not happen and its consequence. The structure of third conditional is if plus past perfect or the conditions, and then would or could or should. Choose one, you will choose, and then plus have, and then plus past participle or the result. There is two examples of third conditional. Number 1, if he had studied, he would have passed the exam. Number 2, if you had saved your money, you could have bought a computer. And now look at the example number 1. There is if, and the condition is he had studied, and then he would, there is would, and then there is have, and the result is pass the exams. Okay, now we will move to the last types. There is called mixed conditional. The definitions about mixed conditional is combines elements of both the second and third conditional. It used to describe hypothetical situations that involve the different times, such as a past condition with a present result or a present condition with a past result. The example, the past present. If I had studied harder, I would be a doctor now. And the example of present or past. If I were more organized, I would have finished the project on time. Okay, that's all 6 types of conditional sentences. Thank you so much for watching this videos. I hope these videos can help you guys to learn about conditional sentences. See you next time. Thank you.